Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin. Before we get started on today's recipe, I stopped by the mailbox today and I got a sticker from Dustin at Tennessee Grillin' and Smokin'. Pretty cool little sticker. If you get a chance, go over to his channel, check him out. He's currently doing about 2 videos a week, I think. He's got some great videos. I've learned some from his, and I'm sure if you check him out, you'll learn some too. So I'm going to get him, get his sticker up on my fridge here with the other couple of stickers. If you want a sticker, if you want to send me a sticker, my email is Kevin at ManKitchenRecipes. It's down below. It's in my About page. But Dustin, thank you for sending me that. We're going to stick you right here next to Craig. Right there. Okay. There's next to Craig at Behind the Garage Barbecue, and there it is, Tennessee Grillin' and Smokin'. Get a chance to check out his channel. Okay, so today I'm going to do a shrimp boil on the Pit Boss Tailgater. Really easy to do, just a few ingredients. I'll take you outside here in a second. I also want to mention that I got this idea. This is my version from Nathan over at Dying Breed Barbecue. That's it. He's got a great channel too. I love his channel, but he's only been putting up a video every 2, 3, 4 months. But anyway, here's my version. Let's go out back. I'll show you what we got in it. Doing a shrimp boil, a shrimp with some smoked sausage, beef sausage. First thing we got to do though, I've got a stick and a half of butter. Got it cubed up. I need to get it melted, so I'm gonna put that right here in the Tailgater today. That's what we're doing, 350 degrees. So I'm gonna get this melted first. While that's melting, we'll go over the ingredients. Ooh, look at that smoke roll. Okay, so here we go. For the ingredients, we got about a pound of shrimp. It's peeled with the tail still on it. 1 lime. We're actually using 2 limes. Here's a lime that's sliced up right here. 1 pound of smoked beef sausage right here, cut up. 4 pieces of corn, or 2 corn cut in half, and about a pound and a half of red potatoes, halved and quartered. That's how easy this is. Simple ingredients, and then we also are going to use 2 beers. And of course, one of them is going to go in the recipe. The other one, what? I'm in New Mexico. What am I doing with a Yuengling beer? Ha! Well, let me tell you, I got a good buddy. And my good buddy went to Georgia. And while he was in Georgia, he picked me up a couple cases of Yuengling. So, 1 beer for the recipe. And the Yuengling, well, that's for drinking. Oh man, that is so good. Oh, sure do appreciate that one. Okay, so as soon as this butter melts, we will add the ingredients and go from there. Okay, so I guess while we're waiting for the butter to melt on the Pit Boss, that was so good. So with the pound of shrimp, I'm going to just squeeze 1 lime in there. And get it mixed up really well. And what I'm going to do is, you can use your favorite rub, any kind of rub. I'm using my chicken and pork rub, my homemade rub. I like using this rub because it does have some heat to it. So we're going to have this in here. I'm going to coat the shrimp with my rub, and then what I'm going to do is while the rest of this is cooking, this is going to sit in the refrigerator. Okay, that's how easy that is. Let's see how our butter's doing. It's almost there. All right, let's get that pan off with the butter. Nice and melted now. Okay, now this is really tough. I mean, it is Man Kitchen Recipes. Check this out. Okay, so there's our butter. It's all melted. We're going to add in our potatoes. It's about 6 red potatoes. About 1.5 pounds, I guess. Then we are going to put in about a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning right on top of that. Don't be afraid of it. Okay, now we're going to put in our sausage. Just like that. Gonna put in 1 lime cut up in there. And we're gonna get our corn in there. Okay, and we're gonna sprinkle some Old Bay on top of all of that. Make sure we get everything cooked. It already smells good, that Old Bay seasoning, man. Okay, and now for the Coors Light. We're gonna pour this in here. I usually don't like using beer in recipes, but well, that is what it is. It's a Coors Light, it's okay. Alright, so 1 can of Coors Light. You can use whatever beer you want, Miller Lite, regular Miller, whatever. There's no way I'm using a Yingling though for this part of it. Okay, then all you do is cover it up with piece of foil. Get this in the tip-off. 350 degrees for about an hour, or until the potatoes are nice and tender. So we will be back out in an hour, or within a split second for you. Okay, so it's been an hour, about ready to check the potatoes, but I gotta tell you, I think I was off on the recipe as far as the 2 beers. Let's just say 2 or more beers, because I mean, my friend did bring me some Yingling. Oh man. Okay, let's check the potatoes. Okay, let's give these potatoes a test. Roll for an hour. Watch out for the steam. Look at that. Oh man. Fork. Okay. I think I'm going to let those potatoes go. Oh, they're going in pretty good. Alright. We'll pull that out a little bit more, and we will get the shrimp on there. Get that foil off there. Now, we'll add the shrimp in there. Just put it right in like that. Yeah, look at that shrimp. Where is it? Look at that shrimp. Oh. Let this roll for about 15 more minutes just to get the shrimp cooked up. Just pour that juice right in there. Get the foil back on it. Close it up. We're still rolling at 350. We'll see in about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Let's check this out. Oh, yeah, baby, look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty right there? Alright, we're going to get this taken out of this this pan. There we go. Man Kitchen Recipes. Easy to make shrimp boil. Shrimp, beef sausage, potatoes, corn, and took a couple of beers, but we got it. We're gonna enjoy this right now. So. That shrimp boil was delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you want any of my stickers, just email me at Kevin@ManKitchenRecipes. Email's down below and in my About page. You just need your address. We'll get one shipped out to you. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next video.